Hello. So you upgraded to Unreal Engine 5.3 and your CentOnReal plugin stopped working. You created a project, you pressed Alt U, and it says could not find an open Unreal editor instance. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to enable remote execution. So you do remote execution, you enabled it, you happy, you make this mistake all the time, you pressed Alt U, same result, could not find an open Unreal editor. And you're like, what the heck? And you start googling and you find this video. So here we go. You go to remote execution, and here multicast bind address, you put here 0 0. Okay, and now you press Alt U and everything looks good. You've got your default cube. Anyways, now I can drop the cube here. Default cube.